Hey there, hustlers! Are you tired of the daily grind and looking for a way to earn passive income? Welcome back to Inspired Signite! Today, we're diving into the world of the easiest side hustle out there, selling digital products. Imagine crafting something once and reaping the benefits over and again. Catch your breath, because we're about to launch into the stratosphere of financial freedom. You've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to turn your skills into a profitable digital product and earn passive income. Stay tuned! Let's face it, the traditional 9-to-5 job can be exhausting and limiting. You're stuck in a seemingly never-ending cycle, trading precious time for money. And at the end of the day, you might feel like you're running on a hamster wheel, going nowhere fast. You're looking for more flexibility, more freedom, and a chance to really capitalize on your skills and passions. But fear not, there's a solution that's about to change the game for you. Enter the world of selling digital products. This isn't just another side hustle, it's an opportunity to turn your passion into a perpetual stream of income. Here's how it works. You create a digital product. This could be anything from an ebook sharing your expertise, an online course teaching a skill, a template to simplify a process, or even a piece of digital artwork. You put in the effort once to create it, and then you sell it over and over again. It's like having a shop that never closes, and it's all yours. No shipping costs, no restocking, no physical inventory to manage. And the best part? You can reach customers all over the globe. Imagine your knowledge or creativity packaged into a product, enriching lives far and wide while putting money in your pocket. This is the beauty of selling digital products. Whether it's ebooks, online courses, templates, or digital artwork, the possibilities are endless. Don't just take our word for it. Let's dive into the world of real people who have taken the leap and are now reaping the rewards of selling digital products. There's Jane, a graphic designer who started selling her digital art online. She now earns a steady, passive income that's supplementing her day job. Then we have Mark, a fitness enthusiast who transformed his passion into a successful ebook on holistic fitness. It's not only led to a significant income boost, but also allowed him to connect with like-minded individuals globally. And let's not forget about Lisa, a teacher who created an online course sharing her unique teaching methods. Lisa's course has reached hundreds of educators, helping them enhance their teaching skills while generating a solid income for Lisa. These are just a few among many. From generating passive income streams to reaching financial goals, the success stories speak for themselves. So what are you waiting for? It's time to take action. Let's jumpstart your journey to financial freedom by selling digital products. First things first, identify your unique skills or areas of expertise. What are you passionate about? What do you have a knack for? Once you've pinpointed your strengths, use them as a springboard to brainstorm digital product ideas that align with your niche. You could create an ebook, design a template, develop an online course, or even craft digital artwork. The world is your oyster, but remember, creating your product is just the first step. To get your digital product in the hands of consumers, you'll need to market it strategically. Leverage social media platforms, build an email list, and utilize online platforms to reach your target audience. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start your digital product journey today. And there you have it, folks, the easiest side hustle to earn passive income, selling digital products. We've explored the potential of this business venture from creation to marketing. The digital world is your oyster, brimming with opportunities to leverage your unique skills into profitable products. The first step is often the hardest, but remember, every journey begins with that initial stride. So ignite that passion, and let's inspire each other to reach new heights of financial freedom. Until next time, keep hustling. Next time.